Good morning, children. Hope you enjoyed your holidays well and you celebrated your Sankranti, right? So, now today we are going back to our studies, right? So, here more about multiplication and division, your fifth chapter. Now, we are going to complete this fifth chapter. Please, everyone, listen carefully. See, sharing equally. You already know in the previous classes what is multiplication and what is division, right? Multiplication is the repeated addition and division means sharing equally, dividing it equally among the persons. So, Aditya buys 10 steamed momos. He gives an equal number of momos to 5 children. How many momos does each child get? See, children, here 5 members are there and total of 10 are there. So he have to share equally. So first what we will do? First we'll give one to each and every child. So 5 momos will be completed. So next 5 we will go to, from the starting we'll give again. So that means here each child is getting 2 momos. So total 10 are there. First we will distribute one momo to each child. So all the 5 children will get 5 momos. So remaining how many left? Again 5 are left. So again start distributing the momos. So each one will get 2 momos, right, children? Okay, by sharing the 6 strawberries equally between 2 girls. See, 6 divided by 2 is there. How can we write? So total 6 strawberries are there and we have to give those 6 to 2 children. So each will get 3. See, children, if we can separate 6 strawberries into 2 groups. Okay, 2 groups means how many will each group get? 3. So the 2 girls get 3 each. Next question. Kate has 18 lollipops. She gave each friend 2 lollipops. How many friends does she give her lollipops? See, children, here we have to divide 18 lollipops into how many friends are there? 2 friends are there. That means 2. We have to circle 2 lollipops into a group. Okay. So that means a group will describe you one person. So 2 lollipops for one person. Like that, how many groups we can divide? Please calculate it. Please count the number of groups and write the answer there. Next, division factor of 2, 5 and 10. Okay, now we are going to learn about division facts of 2, 5 and 10. See, we divide to find how many there in the each group. Mr. Basu divides 12 notebooks equally between 2 students, Ishan and Akif. Okay, after sharing, each student how many will get? Count, children, how many books are there in total? 12 are there. Okay, so we have to divide those 12 into 2 groups. How many are there in each group? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. That means 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Each one will get 6 notebooks. Okay, so here 12 divided by 6 is a division sentence. Plus is, okay, divided by symbol is, you can write the divided by symbol. You have to write a sleeping line and 2 dots. This is the symbol for the division. Okay, and this is called division. Next, share 35 marbles equally among 5 children. That means we have to divide 35 marbles to 5 groups. So each group, okay, 5 children we have to give. So take 5 circles and keep each marble in the 5. Like that you have to keep all the 35 marbles. So each group will have 7 marbles. After sharing, each child will get 7 marbles. That means 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. And also we can cross check. 5 sevens are how much? 35. That means we read it as 35 divided by 5 equals to 7. That means each child here is getting 7 marbles. Next, Yuki puts 40 bowls equally into 10 stacks. So 40 bowls are there and 10 stacks. Let us suppose that 10 cupboards. So you have to keep 40 bowls in 10 cupboards or 10 boxes, how many each box will get? That means 40 divided by 10. Okay, you should divide 40 cups or bowls into 10 groups. So each group will get 4. 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. Okay, see here children, the simple logic. Here we have to divide it into 10 stacks, right? So you read the 10 table. 10 table, whenever you get 40, that number will be the answer. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40. So each will get 4. That means each stack there will be 4 bowls. And how can we read this sentence? 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. Next, grouping equally. Jaslyn has 20 vegetable nuggets. Okay, she put 5 vegetable nuggets in lunch box. How many lunch boxes does she use? So 5. That means 20. You have to draw 20 lines. Okay, and 5 into one group. How many boxes are there? That means here 20 divided by 5. Read 5 table up to 20. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Here at 4 we are getting the answer of 20. So she uses 4 lunch boxes. Next, grouping equally. We also divide to find how many groups are there. Divide 16 folks into group of 2. Okay, 2 groups we have to divide. How many are there total? 16 folks. 16 divided by 2 here children. That means total 16 are there. When we are grouping, how many groups are here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 groups are there. So how can we read? 16 divided by 2 equal to 8. Next, Kate has 25 pancakes. She put them in the stacks of 5. She stacks the pancakes on 5 plates. So how many are there? See here children, total 25 pancakes are there and she is putting them in stacks of 5. Okay, so or in 5 plates. So how many will be there each plate? 25 divided by 5. So 5 table again, 25 up to 25. You can get 5 5s are 25. So 5 is the answer. We read 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Next, there are 60 fruit treats. Robin puts 10 fruit treats on each plate. Total how many are there children? 60. And each plate how many are there? 10. That means we have to divide 60 fruit treats as 10 in each group. How many groups are there? 60 divided by 10. Read 10 table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60 here. So 6 is the answer. There are 6 plates. Okay, on the fruit rats. Now page number 85, you are having this as a homework. You have to do. There are 20 cookies. Put 5 cookies in each group. So total 20 cookies are there. You have to keep 5 cookies in each group. How many cookies are there? You have to divide 20 cookies into 5 groups. Or read 5 table till 20. You can get the answer. Next, divide 20 cookies into 2 plates equally. 2 groups. Okay, all the 20 into 2 groups. You can draw 20 sticks and 2 cups. You can keep each cup there, each stick there, or you can divide it directly by 2 table. Okay children, do it and forward me your answers.